quadratic equation ke chi bang ki bol here hiam bang gel heading hiam ending x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 a equation hi le roots ni ne thi bang alpha le beta ke cham te je le hi uchi le he pen bang gel thi ding hiam mi chi le he pen kha x square minus b by a helak tenga x pen ko plus c by a he pen ko inon is equals to 0 bang ka hen gel mo ka hiam mi chi le x square minus b by a chi kha sum of the roots x by China plus product of the roots is equals to 0. By Jaka minus b by a chi kha sum of the roots, c by a chi kha product of the roots hi chi na thi ite dio hi. Without solving, find the sum and product of the roots of the following quadratic equations. X square plus x square minus 3x minus 3 is equals to 0. Hey, question non dota hi le a sum le product integral zong here le the given equation kha x square minus 3x minus 3 here equals to 0. Then my again bang na a value kha 1 idi na b value bang zai dele ai b value bang zai di minus 3 and then c value bang zai dele minus 3. Sum of the roots chi kha bang na ki dele minus b by a chi ma le minus na b value bang ale minus 3 divided by a bang 1. That means it will be my plus 3 by 1. It will give you 3. And product of the root na chiu bang hinon jale product of the roots na chiu kha c by a na chiu ibe na chiu bang minus 3 divided by na a bang 1 which ile your answer will be minus 3. What is the sum of the roots is 3, product of the root will be minus 3. He kha hi chira na solve do hi question dang pai le ye dan na ga solve ha question dang khatim dia 2x square minus 3 root 3x plus 3 is equals to 0. 2x square minus 3 root 3x plus 3 is equals to 0. What ile na a value bang hiding 2 hiding na b value bang hiding minus 3 root 3 na c value kha 3 hiding. Then sum of the roots yai bang hiding hiam mi chi le na formula kha minus b by a hi chenga kha helak tinga na b bang minus 3 root 3 so minus 3 root 3 by yana a bang 2 is equal to 3 root 3 by 2. Product of the roots bang hiding product of the roots yai na chi kha bang hidiale the formula dan jela kha c by a be helak tinga na c bang 3 and na a bang 2 so it will be 3 by 2. Then equation formation of quadratic equation 8 y pan sanina form the quadratic equation whose roots are minus 3 and minus 6. Hey bang chi bol ting hiam mi chile ama sa pin pinaka quadratic equation ni bol ek changa sum of the roots poi mo in pa changa product of the roots poi mo be why jaka sum of the roots hai pin kha na jong khen ma sak te te sum of the roots chi changa hey tigel na ba kom du chinai be why jaka minus 3 plus minus 6 this will give you minus 3 minus 6 this will give you minus 9 as a kaya tigel multiply kele minus into plus will be minus. And product of the roots na vazong kaya no ngai product of the roots yan ang kaya chama bang hiding minus 3 into minus 6 3 6 are 18 minus into minus will be plus so product of the roots will be 18. Huchayle, then the required equation is given by, then the required equation is given by x square minus, sum of the roots, sum of the roots is given by minus b by a. X plus product of the roots denoted by c by a is equals to 0. That means x square minus b by a, that is denoted by sum of the roots, is minus 9. At Chile, product of the roots bang is ID. 18 even. Uchahile, x square minus into minus will give you plus 9x plus 18 is equals to 0. Ito na solve the formation of a quadratic equation. Example dang katiyan lagi nga 3 plus root 3 by 2, 3 minus root 3 by 2. Hirap nga ka equation na ba-form dito nga din again sa sum of the roots to product of the roots po mo. Ay ka sum of the roots bang hindi yale. Sum of the roots is given by, hindi ka na bagong diyo siya nga ka. Sum of the roots na siya nga ka 3 plus root 3 by 2 plus 3 minus root 3 by 2. Ay LCM kibangay siya nga ka 2 latay root 3 ka kibang ay ka assign kibang laway siya nga ka cancel kaya 3 to 3 na muli 6. This will give you 2 3s are 6. So sum of the roots, which is often represented by bangale minus b by a, will give you the answer 3. And product of the roots ay siya nga ka bang. Product of the root ay siya hitigal na multiply mga ichinay 3 plus root 3 by 2 multiplied with 3 minus root 3 by 2. Kaya kain lang yun. 2 2s are 4. A plus b, a minus b will give you what? Equation is x squared plus minus b by a plus c by a is equals to 0. X squared minus b by a value bangali 3. So 3x plus product of the roots bang 3 by 2 is equals to 0. Which ilagti nga ka LCM na wala ko nga ibe. 2 nun kikobsak siya mabang zaidi 2x squared minus 2 3s are 6x ilagti nga plus kikiklo di is equals to 0. Hey 2 pin hey lama transfer hey leo 2 0s are 0 iti kwa ka bagat mo nga siya sila answer ka 2x squared minus 6x plus 3 is equal to 0. Jadi